Are emoji. Samsung's answer to Apple's Emoji is a little half-baked. Easy to save and share on any third-party application. Another big feature for the Galaxy S9, and another that's linked to the camera, is Are emoji. It's a reaction to an emoji on the iPhone X, but the Galaxy S9 does things slightly differently by snapping a selfie of you and then creating a 3D animated character in your likeness. The quality of the likeness varies quite a lot, and you may question if the character on screen is really based on you. You can select a hairstyle, glasses and clothing for your Are emoji, although the options here are limited to 12 outfits and 7 types of spectacles. We were disappointed with the overall look of our Are emoji as its hairstyle and clothing didn't fully reflect us. It's a bit of fun, but there could be more on offer. Once you've created your style, you can then start gurning at the screen and your Are emoji will begin to mimic your expressions as the Galaxy S9 tracks and maps over 100 facial movements. We found the expressions our avatar pulled to be a little wooden though, as Samsung has limited the feature to just 18 actual expressions. Pursing your lips or acting surprised comes across well, but more subtle expressions sometimes get a little lost. From there you can snap a picture of the avatar, or record a video, with sound, of you speaking/singing/shouting as your Are emoji mimics your actions. These are then saved as GIFs for easy sharing on any third-party social or messaging application. The Samsung Galaxy S9 also creates 18 preset emoji from your avatar and adds them to the Samsung keyboard. You can then call on them whenever you're typing, allowing you to quickly and easily share your feelings with an image of yourself.